In the beginning, there was only hydrogen drifting through endless darkness. Then the first stars ignited, burning fiercely in the void. In their violent deaths, oxygen was forged. When hydrogen finally met oxygen, the universe created its first water. From the silence of space, Earth slowly rises, a fragile sphere wrapped in shimmering blue oceans. Liquid water flows across continents, shaping climate and life. A miracle world in the darkness, or perhaps only the first ocean planet we discovered. Mercury stands scorched and airless. The moon remains silent and gray. Mars appears barren and frozen. For centuries, we believed the universe was dry and lifeless. But the truth was hidden in shadow, waiting beyond what we could see. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Simple, elegant, powerful. This tiny molecule bends light, shapes landscapes, carves canyons, and fuels biology. Across planets and moons, water transforms worlds and makes life possible. 100 billion stars spin within the Milky Way. Around many of them, unseen planets orbit in silence. Hidden oceans may circle countless suns. Our galaxy is not empty or lifeless. It is filled with possibility. Past rocky inner planets and beyond the asteroid belt, the search expands outward. Icy moons shimmer in distant sunlight. Water is the key to understanding them. And now, we are finally learning where to look. Inside Mission Control, screens glow in the darkness. Data streams in from distant spacecraft. Every signal is examined, every anomaly studied carefully. Because somewhere out there, beneath ice or dust, water is waiting to be found. This is not only exploration, it is survival. It is discovery. It is humanity reaching beyond Earth in search of something essential. This is the search for water in space. The moon's south pole lies in eternal shadow. Craters untouched by sunlight for billions of years. Temperatures colder than Pluto. A frozen frontier where ancient secrets remain preserved in darkness. Inside these shadowed craters, ice glimmers faintly, frozen in time and protected from the sun's warmth. A hidden vault of water on a world once believed completely dry. In 1994, the Clementine mission scanned the lunar poles. Radar reflections revealed bright, unusual signals. Scientists questioned what could cause them. The possibility of hidden ice began to emerge. 4 years later, Lunar Prospector detected concentrated hydrogen near the poles. The pattern was undeniable. Evidence was building steadily. The moon was not entirely dry, after all. In 2009, L-Cross slammed into a shadowed crater. Debris rose high into sunlight. Instruments analyzed the plume. Water vapor was confirmed. Microscopic ice crystals cling to grains of lunar dust, ancient and untouched. Water trapped inside gray regolith, quiet evidence of a wetter history. Under Artemis, astronauts will return to the moon, not only to visit, but to build and remain. Water will support life and fuel deeper missions. Robotic machines carve into icy soil beneath the surface, extracting frozen reserves, transforming dust into usable resources. The moon becomes more than rock. It becomes a supply station. Water splits into hydrogen and oxygen, fuel and breathable air, propulsion and survival. A simple chemical reaction powering humanity's expansion into space. In lunar orbit, spacecraft dock and refuel. A new economy begins forming above Earth. Enabled entirely by frozen water mined from shadow. From low lunar gravity, rockets rise with minimal fuel. Water-derived propulsion sends humanity toward Mars and beyond. Chandrayaan-3 lands near the lunar South Pole. A new nation joins polar exploration, expanding the global search for ice. Darkness falls across the lunar surface. Temperatures plunge below -170 degrees Celsius. Machines endure the frozen silence, surviving where sunlight never reaches. In this hostile night, water remains locked in shadow, waiting for human hands to uncover it. From the rim of Shackleton Crater, Earth rises slowly above the horizon. Blue oceans glow against endless black space, a distant reminder of home. From here, on our fragile planet looks small, yet it holds the water that gave us life. Mars rotates beneath the spacecraft, red and scarred by time. Ancient valleys stretch across its surface. Though dry today, the planet's geology tells a different story, one shaped long ago by flowing liquid water. Dry river channels carve across the Martian landscape. Once, water surged through these valleys, carrying sediment and shaping terrain. And these formations are not guesses. They are undeniable proof that Mars once flowed with rivers. Beneath layers of red dust, radar reveals buried ice, vast frozen reservoirs hidden underground. Though the surface is barren, water remains preserved below, protected from radiation and time. Curiosity drills into ancient sedimentary rock. Its instruments detect minerals formed in freshwater lakes. Long ago, this crater held stable water, calm enough, perhaps, for microbial life to survive. Perseverance explores a preserved river delta. Layered sediments mark where water once emptied into a lake. Each sample collected may hold microscopic biosignatures, silent evidence of past life. A robotic drill pierces frozen Martian ground. Beneath the dust lies solid ice. And locked away for millions of years, this water could sustain future explorers. Billions of years ago, northern Mars may have held a vast ocean. Shorelines etched into terrain suggest waves once touched this world. Mars was not always red. It may once have been blue. Today, dust storms rage across the planet. Winds replace water. The rivers are gone. The lakes evaporated. Only traces remain, carved permanently into stone. Dark streaks appear seasonally on Martian slopes. Scientists suspect salty brines may briefly flow before evaporating. Even now, water may still move across Mars, slowly and quietly. Future astronauts harvest buried ice. Water becomes drinking supply, oxygen, and fuel. Mars transforms from barren desert into a stepping stone for deeper exploration. A rocket ignites on Martian soil. Fueled by hydrogen derived from water ice, it rises toward orbit, and Mars becomes not the destination, but the beginning. Phobos drifts overhead, casting faint shadows across the surface. The small moon watches silently as humanity reshapes Mars through water and science. Signals travel millions of kilometers between Earth and Mars. Minutes pass before responses arrive. Exploration across such distance demands patience and trust in the data. Europa orbits beneath Jupiter's immense gravity. Its frozen surface reflects faint sunlight. Beneath kilometers of ice lies a hidden ocean larger than all Earth's seas combined. Long red fractures stretch across Europa's crust. These scars suggest movement below. The ice shifts and cracks, driven by forces from the ocean beneath. Jupiter's gravity pulls Europa inward, then releases it. This constant flexing generates heat inside the moon, enough to keep a global ocean liquid. Cutting beneath the icy shell reveals a vast global sea. Dark, deep, salty. An ocean in total darkness, yet potentially full of energy. A conceptual probe melts through Europa's ice, descending slowly toward alien waters. If it reaches the ocean, humanity will touch another world sea for the first time. On the ocean floor, hydrothermal vents may glow. On Earth, such vents teem with life. Here, in darkness, chemistry and heat could sustain organisms. Life on Europa would not be complex. It would be simple, microscopic, resilient, hidden beneath ice, thriving without sunlight. Europa Clipper flies past the moon, scanning its surface. Instruments measure ice thickness, chemistry, and hidden ocean signatures. Mapping a future landing site, water erupts from cracks in Europa's crust. Unplumes spray vapor into space, a direct sample of the ocean below, without drilling. Jupiter's radiation bombards Europa's surface. Any mission must endure extreme conditions to uncover the secrets below. Beneath fractured crust, hidden chambers may exist. Caverns filled with briny water, silent reservoirs beneath frozen plains. Faint sunlight touches Europa's icy terrain. Shadows stretch across ridges. Beneath this frozen beauty lies a dynamic ocean. In total darkness, Europa's ocean remains still, vast, alien, waiting for exploration. Enceladus orbits beside Saturn's rings. Its bright surface reflects sunlight. A small moon with an enormous secret beneath. Fractures at the South Pole glow faintly. Known as tiger stripes, they mark where internal heat escapes. Jets of water burst into space. Ice particles scatter into Saturn's orbit, an ocean announcing its presence. Cassini flies directly through the plume. Instruments detect water vapor, salts, and organic molecules. Salt-rich ice crystals rotate slowly in sunlight, tiny fragments carrying chemical clues from the ocean below. Beneath the crust lies a warm, global sea, heated from within by tidal forces. Chemical reactions release hydrogen into the water, energy that microbes could use to survive. Against Saturn's rings, plumes glow faintly, a small moon shining in darkness. Future missions may capture ocean spray directly, sampling an alien sea without landing. Enceladus passes before Saturn's rings, a tiny world with enormous implications. OSIRIS-REx approaches asteroid Bennu, a primitive body rich in carbon and hydrated minerals. Water once interacted with this rock. Chemical signatures preserved for billions of years. Asteroids rained upon early Earth, while delivering water that filled oceans. Inside a comet, frozen layers preserve ancient ice from solar system formation. Solar wind strikes the moon's surface, creating hydroxyl molecules from dust and particles. Future robots extract water vapor from rock. Turning asteroids into supply stations, hydrogen flows between docked spacecraft, water powering deep space travel. A permanent lunar base stands near the South Pole, sustained by ice mined from shadow. A rotating station refuels spacecraft. Water becomes the backbone of a new space economy. On Mars, settlers rely on extracted ice. Water sustains life on another world. A fleet of spacecraft departs orbit, powered by hydrogen split from water. Earth rises above the moon's horizon, blue and fragile against infinite black. Water shaped us, sustained us, and now carries us outward, toward the stars.